welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to cover a topic that Salesforce has given us in the summer 24 release, a freshly new update, which is that now we can include a search field powered by Google Maps to improvise our address field and to make it more quickly for our users to enter their address using Google Maps in your screen flows. Okay, now how does that work and what is the good example for it, how we can actually use it and implement it in our flow? For that, we are going to create a new flow. The flow interface has changed as well in summer 24. Now if you will click on the new flow button from here, you will be redirected to this flow builder page, and here you have two options. First, to start it from scratch. If you want to create a new flow from scratch, you want a blank flow builder for you to add elements to. And second, you have a use template option if you want to use a specific template. Now for this example, we will start from scratch. Let's click on the next button and choose screen flow because we want to work with a screen component. And here we are. Now let me just show you how it works if you don't add Google Maps. Okay, so what we usually do is, if you want to add address in any of the form that we are asking user to fill up, right? So we just drag address, and in address only you get street, city, zip code, state, province and country. All these 4-5 fields are there when you use the address component, right? Now let me just save it and show you how it was before. Let's name it address and let's name it include Google Map. Okay, we are not doing anything here because our sole purpose is to tell you how you can use Google Maps and not to create a complicated flow. Google Maps example, let's name it. And first we will see how it was before summer 24 release. Let's debug. And here you can see this is a simple address where you will enter street, enter city. Let's say I'm entering my city, and your state and everything that you want to enter. Okay, these are just all text field and text area fields respectively. Now what happens when you add a Google Map? It just makes it easier, quicker, it gives better user experience, and just saves time, right? Let's go back here, and if you will click on the address component, now here you have another fields as well which we are not adding in this example. But if you will scroll down and down, you will see here you have an option, show Google Maps search field. Now in this field you have to set true, and for the label, so when you make it true, it will ask if you want Google Maps to check your location. Okay, just allow it once. And for Google Maps field label, let's add Google address. Okay, that is it. Now what you can see changed here is, now before street you have a Google address search as well. Okay, now we will just save it and see how it is changed from the previous one. Let's debug it. And run. Now when you click on run, you have a new Google address search bar here. This is same as the Google Map search that you do on maps.google.com or your Maps application on your mobile phone. So what I'm going to do is, okay, now I'm going to add a random address I checked on Google. So let's say we want to add 28th Road, Khar, this address in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. I have just added 20th here, and I have all the possible addresses, and I will just select this one. Once I select this, you can see I have the street, city, zip code, country and state added here as itself. Okay, so I don't have to add anything here because I have selected the address from Google address. So it is just more quick, it is a better user experience, and user can quickly enter their addresses. They will not feel that there are so many fields to fill up, right? Of course, if they want to change the field or if they want to add anything, they can add. This is the address field filled from the Google address bar that we have enabled in our flow. And that is the main benefit of this feature. If you will go here, this was actually asked in Idea Exchange and it is delivered by Salesforce. Now we will just quickly go through the notes to check if we have missed something. Empower users to fill in addresses more quickly with the new search field in address of screen component. So basically users can quickly just add their address or maybe select their address, and everything else will be filled up automatically. Okay. It says include a search field powered by Google Map in address of screen component. When the user selects an address in search field, the flow populates the address fields. We delivered this feature thanks to your ideas on Idea Exchange. Okay. Now, this is just about where this feature is available and how you can enable this feature. So if you will add true in here, here show Google Map search field, if you will add it as true, then you will have this Google example. If you this Google search field, if you don't want it anymore, just remove it and this will be removed from here. This is just for making the user experience better and making it quick for the users to fill up the long form that is exhausting sometimes. So that is it about this feature. This is a very good feature for when we are asking users a lot of data and they are already tired filling up all the data. At least this can make it a little convenient for them to fill up the form. Okay, that was it. That was today's example. I will see you super soon in my next video and with another summer 24 update. Trust me, there are many more updates coming up. So stay tuned, take care, and remember, keep learning.